Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great Friday. We're almost done with the week, and we're going to take a look at the markets. S&P was up today, Dow Jones was up, NASDAQ was up today, Bitcoin was up, Ethereum was down today. Kind of strange. We'll take a look at it. We also have the Bitcoin miners. For the most part, they were up today, which was nice to see as well. And we got Marathon. They're awfully quiet about a 20% stake in Abu Dhabi mine deal with FS Innovation LLC. We'll get into all that. There's some things I have questions on. Okay, but as always, you guys know the drill here. I'm invested in the following coins and companies for full disclosure. This is not financial advice, for entertainment only. Do your own research. And if you enjoy this type of content, hit the like button. Helps me out tremendously. All right, so let's take a look at the markets here right now. And here we go. So, excuse me, S&P was up 0.25% today to 4,070. Dow Jones was up 0.08% to 33,978. NASDAQ was up 0.96% to 12,166. Then Bitcoin was up today just a little bit. It had a pretty wild day today. It was up and down, and it closed at, let's see here, was up 0.32% today, closed at 23,084. We had a low of 22,540 and a high of 23,511. So we are still going up here ever so slowly, but we are going up here at least. Down here, we were kind of going up and then down, and we bounced. I don't know what's going to happen here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour here really quick. On the 4-hour, we can see that the RSI has been kind of flat at around 57 here. And, I mean, if we go far enough back here, we can see that the price was just a little bit lower then. So we are still looking pretty good on the 4-hour chart. It's not looking the best, but we are at least looking to the upside a little bit. On the 1-hour chart, we can see here that we are at 55 right now. Last time we were back here, price was lower at that time. So we are still looking kind of good as well on the 1-hour chart, okay? Bitcoin did finish out the week here in the green, which was nice to see as well. You can see we've had 1, 2, 3. Well, for Friday to finish out the week, we'll see what happens on Sunday when it actually closes, but I track it from Friday to Friday. It looks like we might be in the green here depending on what happens tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, okay? And let's take a look at Ethereum here really quick as well, and we'll call it a day on these and get into the miners. Let's see here. So Ethereum was up today. Well, actually, it was down today, like I said. It was down 0.18%, just down barely. It closed at 1,598, a low of 1,550, and a high of 1,622. Previous high was, let's see here, 1,680, which was just a couple days ago, about a week ago. Okay, we are in the new day. It is up just a little bit right now, 0.36. And it's at, right now, at 1,603. Looking at the forward chart, let's see what's going on there. RSI is also kind of flat here at 53. Last time we were back here, price was about the same. So it's not looking too much different from where it was before, maybe up a little bit higher than where it is back here. On the 1-hour chart, RSI has also come up a little bit to 58. Last time we were back, I mean, it's still flat, looks like. No real direction as far as which way it wants to go, okay? So let's take a look at the miners here really quick. Andy was up 2.16% today. Take a look at the daily chart. So it was up today 2.16%. It was down for the last 4 days, and it's finally up today a little bit to 41 cents. Argo was down 6.4% today to $1.90. Bit Digital was up 3.55% to $1.46. Well, this one's had a nice run up here this whole time. We'll see where this one ends up at. Bitfarms was up 2.8% to $1.10. CleanSpark was up 2.46% to $2.92. Cores was up 33% again today, 24 cents now. You can see here that we've had a nice little run up here since, let's see, it's up over 100% probably within the last couple of days here. Look at the bottom here that we reached right around here, and it is up almost 200%, 173% in the last couple trading days. DigiHost is up today 11.64% to $2.11. Not sure why this one is, going to the moon here. But from the bottom here that was reached on, this was Friday, the 30th of December, it went up 569%. So it 5x'd already from the beginning of the year. Tremendous growth there. Not sure what's really contributing to it. Maybe we'll get some news here. We'll find out. DMG was up 1.86% to 24 cents. Greenedge was up, or down, 0.86% to 87 cents. Hive was up 0.59% to 341. Hot A was up 3.45% to $1.95. Iris Energy was down 4.36% to $2.09. Marathon was down 8.34% to $8.02. Mawson was up 3.22% to 50 cents. Riot was up 3.26% to $6.33. Soluna was up 1.38% to 44 cents. And TeraWolf was up 5.71% to $1.11. So there's all the miners. Let's take a look at the network hash rate really quick. See if we got another increase here. And we are still, I think, on the, well, we're at 277, which I think is the same as we were yesterday, which was the video that was posted this morning. Now, if we take a look at the one-day chart, okay, it's come back down a little bit here. So 287 right now on the 1 day. We did peak here, new all-time high at 327. All right, so that is it. And let's take a look at Marathon here. So Marathon, let's take a look at their news story. So Marathon released this yesterday. I almost missed it. I got a notification today on it, and I went and took a look at it. So this is their Form 8K. This was posted the 27th. And here's what we have. So on January 27th, 2023, Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc., the company, and FS Innovation LLC entered into a shareholders agreement, the agreement regarding formation of an Abu Dhabi Global Markets company, the ADGM Entity, whose purpose shall be to jointly A, establish and operate one or more mining facilities for digital assets, and B, mine digital assets collectively, the business. The initial project by the ADGM entity shall consist of 2 digital asset mining sites comprising 250 megawatts in Abu Dhabi, and the initial equity ownership in ADGM entity shall be 80% FSI and 20% the company, and capital contributions will be made subject to the satisfaction or waiver of certain conditions during the 2023 development period in those proportions consisting of both cash and in-kind in amounts of approximately $406 million in aggregate. Okay, boy, that was a long paragraph. Couple things. FSI, FS Innovations could not find anything about them as far as who they are, where they're located, what they do. Absolutely nothing. It's like they're like a ghost company. A couple of things that I did find on them. We'll take a look at it. But also, Marathon did not post this on. They did not put out a press release on this, which was kind of surprising that they didn't do that. They also didn't post it on their Twitter page or anything like that. So if we look at Twitter, I looked at Twitter trying to see if they posted anything. Nothing. It's quiet on there. If we look at the press releases, there's nothing there for it as well. I looked at least around 5:30 or so today. There was nothing about it. So they're being awfully quiet about this. Not sure why. But they did provide the SEC filing. That's all that we got on it. Okay. Now, as far as Abu Dhabi is concerned, I have no idea why they would be going to Abu Dhabi. I mean, you're basically in the desert area. It gets to as high as 104 degrees in the summertime, which lasts between basically May and, well, towards the end of September. You're looking at an average temperature of 98 as the high temperature for that time frame. And then once you get into the colder months, you're looking at a high still of 73 to 79. And then the lows might be down to 60 degrees, which still isn't all that low. So I don't know how are they going to be mining? Whether they're going to be mining with immersion cooling, or are they just going to be doing regular air cooling on these things, or what's going on there? I have no idea. So there's a lot more questions than there are answers, I think, with this. Then as far as looking into FS Innovation, I could not find anything about them. As far as FS Innovation LLC, the only thing that I did find was something on Zoom Info, where they are, here it is, FS Innovation Ltd is a company that operates in the financial services industry. It employs 1 to 5 people and has 0 to 1 million of revenue, potentially. Clicked on that, found their website. The website does not even load. Tried reloading it a couple times, nothing. Don't know what's going on there. So more questions with that one. Not sure what's going on there. And let's get back into here. So it would have been nice for them to provide some information on who the heck FS Innovation is. What do they do? How are they funding 80% of this? Are they a publicly traded company? What's going on here? If you guys know anything about this, let me know down in the comments down below. Love to hear it. And what else is it? Okay. So 80% for FSI. So that means 20% for Marathon. So Marathon's going to have to come up with approximately $80 million for this project, for this joint venture they're doing. They have been selling Bitcoin. It looks like they sold approximately 1,500 potentially so far this month. And that would give at an average cost or an average Bitcoin price of around 21,000. That'd be like, what is that? 30, let's see here, 1,500 times 21,000. That gets them to 31,500. They would still have to come up with approximately another 50 million or so, roughly. And that might be share-based and cash-based, but we see it in here. Or was it both cash and in kind? So I'm guessing that this is a shareholder agreement. This is going to be both cash and in kind. So they're going to dilute shares maybe a little bit to the tune of $50 million worth of shares on it, potentially. Not sure on it, like I said. And then FSI will appoint 4 directors to the board of the ADGM entity, and the company will appoint 1 director. Okay, so 40%, 80%, 20%, that kind of makes sense. Okay, unless otherwise not permitted by applicable law, the digital asset mined by the ADGM entity will be distributed to the company and FSI twice a month in proportion to their respective equity interests in the ADGM entity. There are market provisions in the agreement with respect to financial and tax matters. Okay, that's fine. So they are going to get Bitcoin from it, 20% of it. And then 250 megawatts. What is that going to entail here? Oh, let me see here. Hold on, guys. Let me pull my sheet up here really quick. Not that one. I wanted to do this one. There we go. Okay. So you guys are not going to be able to see what I'm doing here. Let me see. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, sorry. I should have had this prepared. I didn't have it prepared. What is this? Miners. Let's see here. Miners, break even. Where is it? That's not going to work. All right. Let me see. Let's open up numbers. Numbers app. There we go. Okay. That one is over here. Where is it? Sorry, I should have had this done. I didn't. There we go. Mining calculator. Okay. We are getting there. Okay, here we go. Oh, let's see here. Where is it at? Right there. Okay. There we go. So let's see. Where did it go? Nope. There it is. Is that it? Nope. That's not it either. There it is. Okay. So 250 megawatts. So that'll be 2.5. Okay. That's 250 megawatts right there. Let's say that they are going with the 140 terahash miners by the time they get this built up. They would be at about 9.18 exahash, 10% or 20% of that. What would they be at? Equals this times 20, 183. That doesn't make any sense. 0.2. It should be 0.2. Okay. So they would be getting about 1.84 exahash out of this deal. What that's going to mean for them. So that's almost 2 exahash here. That would get them to approximately, in net revenue, depending what the electricity cost is, total net revenue would be approximately, let's see, I did total, about 4 million a month currently right now, the way things stand. By the time they do get installed, I'm guessing network difficulty is going to be much higher. Prices of Bitcoin is probably going to be much higher. Well, I have this at 35. It's at 23,000 right now. Go down. 23,000 here. So right now, actually, it would be approximately, about 2 million extra right now. But by the time they build this out, get it all set up, miners installed and everything else, I'm guessing network hash is going to be probably closer to 350 million. BTC price maybe closer to 30, 40,000 potentially, depending when that happens. Okay, so let's see here. What else do we have here? So that's that. As for, let's see, the agreement shall terminate at the earlier of the mutual written agreement of the parties, winding up of the ADGM entity, or the ownership by the stakeholders of all of the outstanding equity interest in the ADGM entity. The agreement contains market terms on transfer of shares by a shareholder, preemptive rights, and certain tag-along and drag-along rights upon a sale of the ADGM entity. Furthermore, there are 5-year restrictive covenants which, inter alia, prevent Marathon from competing in the UAE with the business or with the business of FSI or any of certain related parties, and prevent FSI from competing in the USA with the business of Marathon. Okay, so both can't go into, well, FSI can go into the United States. Marathon can go into the United Arab Emirates to do business in that. I don't know why that's in there. I mean, they're both mining Bitcoin. Not sure what the big deal is. It's not like you're getting customers from it. You're just mining, but okay. And then let's see here. What else we have here? I think that's it. And then we got signatures. Chief Financial Officer signed off on it. It wasn't even by Fred Thiel that signed off on it. And yeah, that's it. So just a lot more questions with this than I have answers on it, unfortunately. Number one, like I said, FS Innovation, who the heck are they? Don't know anything about them. Would have been nice to have some information on the release here as far as their address, phone number, website, things like that. People could look it up. Nothing on it. It's just FS Innovation. The other thing is, why Abu Dhabi? Like I said, it's pretty hot over there, unless you're doing immersion cooling or something like that. But even then, it's pretty hot. It's going to take more, I think, juice to cool everything off. And then what else do we have here? Why being so quiet about it also? So let me know what you guys think of this. I don't know if it's a good bet for them or not, especially since they are having problems getting their own miners plugged in and installed into these hosting solutions, hosting providers. So I don't know. Don't know how I feel about this one just yet, but it's a little strange that they're being so hush about it. Okay, let me know what you guys think. That is it. I hope you guys have a great Friday, great weekend. We'll see what comes up over the weekend to talk about. If there's nothing, I won't post anything. Other than that, like I said, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe, helps me out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.